Good day, sir. I hope you're doing good. I am Katlego-Sebona. I am working with two of my friends, Boitumelo-Khauoe and Sandile-Nkosi. They are my partners for this group project, or the POE, if for the lack of a better word. But yeah, let's get started into it. Today we'll be showcasing our budget tracker app, in which we will be discussing what it is we did, which features we implemented, and the challenges we faced on when it comes to building this application. So as you can see here, this is our landing page. Um, it's very simple. We wanted to keep it straight to the point and didn't want to inflate it with a lot of information. Moving on to the next page, we have our register page. The application is connected to a database, so do not be surprised when you see some of the data that I had initially entered before, right? As you can see, this is an account I was using to test whether the application works. We've got the login page over one. That is the one where we put on the validation to ensure that it remembers and calls and brings up the right profile that is registered to the application. Um, as you can see, we've got the add salary button up there. We've got our expenses by categories, and a scroll. We've got a card view so that it can illustrate each expense and the category, the date as well, and the price spent for the product that they chose. As you can see, we have different dates and different categories as well. I will illustrate how this application works. So here in the add expenses button down here on the left, we've got the category name. For argument's sake, let us go with pizza. Alright, oh yes, let's take with pizza. You will select the date. We've got a pop-up calendar coming up over here. I will use a previous date, probably a previous year, so that I can illustrate the next feature. Let's give it August 2024 or July. Yeah, August 2024. I think that would be okay. The amount, let's cap it to 300 rand, and the description would be food, I guess. Right, as you can see, you can attach your photo over here. On Google phones, on Google empowered phones, you can also take your images from the Google Drive. Instead that I'm using a Huawei, which does not have Google services, but on Google empowered phone, you can get pictures directly from the Google Drive. As you can see, we've got the cameras, we've got the pictures. Wow, let's use this as a receipt, a much more viable receipt, right? Then you save the expense and it should pop up. Was it up there? Yes, right there, as you can see it. 2024 on the 31st of August, pizza, food at 300 rand. You can see the expenses that we have engaged with. As you can see, we've got um expenses from this week, which is the past week, I guess. As you can see, Thursday, May 15th, you've got what do you call this, the transactions and expenses that happened within the past month of May. As you can see, it's May 15th. We haven't arrived to May 15th yet, so yeah, that was a mistake on our side, but we will correct that within part 3. You've got yeah, the 9th of May, we've got the 2nd of May and the 2nd of May again, and you can select your custom range. This took us a lot of work, but we finally made it happen. We will select May 1st or April 1st 2024 as the start date, and the end date will be, I guess, September 2025. And as you can see, we've got more expenses that pull up, specifically those that came up in 2024, such as the pizza that I illustrated, and the jet ski that was bought in August 15th 2024. And yeah, that's about it, sir.